Do you think you can dance? You like that? What if I told you this viral music video was made with zero filming, zero crew, and just AI tools? Here's how. First, I used Kling AI generator with a reference image to create a consistent character for the singers and dancers on stage. Kling also animates them using the new Model 2.0. I used the following prompt to drive quick camera movements: singing and sexy dancing, high energy, high motion. Next, I moved to Higgsfield AI, which allows you to create epic camera movements and smooth transitions. Then I separated the vocals from the music and used Hedra and Dreamina to lip sync the vocals. Here's how it looked after the lip sync, without the music track.
I wanna feel the love, I wanna go into overdrive.
Finally, I edited and put everything together in CapCut and added some fun video filters. And here you go. Your viral music video is ready. If you like what you saw, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And hey, I challenge you to make your own music video. And if you were wondering where you can make your own AI music, check out Suno. That's all, guys. Take care. Ciao.